Finding new, fun ways to stay fit and healthy can be a struggle sometimes. But let me tell you, this Ninja Warrior course is still one of the most fun and physically demanding things I've tried here on Destination WA. So let me take you back to my visit to Perth Ninja Academy. Nine's Australian Ninja Warrior has taken the country by storm since it first hit our screens in 2017. And it's inspired a generation of budding ninjas to test their strength and agility on the iconic obstacle courses. Perth has seen a long list of ninja competitors, and now you can train alongside them. Welcome to the Ninja Academy. This is Perth's premier mixed movement and obstacle training facility with the largest and most extensive Ninja Warrior style training course in the country. Their aim is to get people moving and enjoying physical activity. So if you haven't found a sport you like just yet, this could be it. Let's go. The Ninja Challenge course features some of the most popular obstacles from the show, including the salmon ladder, the cliffhanger, and the famous warped wall. Dave Ravi is a Ninja Warrior specialist, competing in Australian Ninja Warrior himself, as well as being a finalist in the National Ninja League World Championships. So maybe he can teach me a thing or two. So Dave, tell me, what does it take to become a Ninja Warrior?
Well, like anything, it takes hard work. Honestly, it's the people that are in here every day training that have the vision to win the show, learn the skills, practice, 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 go through the boredom, and then you can become a Ninja Warrior. This course can prepare anyone to become a Ninja Warrior. If you do the work to learn the skills, you can definitely learn what you need here.
But this place has become famous around Australia. I mean, I've heard contestants have even flown in to practice on this course, is that right?
Yeah, look, we definitely, especially in the early days when we were the first gym, we had a lot of contestants flying in. We've heard from a lot of the guys in America that it's one of the best in the world as far as what we offer. So yeah, it's definitely the home of ninja training in Australia.
And what's your #1 tip for becoming a Ninja Warrior?
My #1 tip for anyone wanting to become a Ninja Warrior would be to have a plan and stick to it.
Perfect. All right, well, my plan is to do that course. Shall we go?
Yeah, sounds good.
There are so many obstacles to try here, including bouldering, parkour, and lache rig. Be sure to provide hours of fun for any budding ninja. Don't worry if you're not an elite athlete. Ninja Academy is for everyone, no matter your skill level. Everybody has to start somewhere, right? But in all seriousness, the team is here to coach you on your ninja journey. Now, when I was told that we were going to be filming here, I thought, oh my goodness, I have to try the warped wall. I know it's a big dream for a first visit, but I've had a warm up on a few of the other obstacles, and I think if I can do the warped wall, it'll really prove that I'm ready for Australian Ninja Warrior. Here we go.
She might not be the tallest ninja, but can Nikki Parkinson conquer the warped wall? Here she goes, hard and fast.
Okay, so maybe I won't be the next Australian Ninja Warrior. I've had such a great time doing it though, and if you think the ninja life is for you, then check out the Perth Ninja Academy at this website.